Yo, hello guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a pretty common issue that a lot of Steam users have been running into lately, and that's the missing file privileges error. If you ever tried launching or updating a game and got that annoying little message popping up, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy steps you can use to fix this issue once and for all. Let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is head over to your Steam application. So go ahead, log into your account and open your Steam client, okay? So open it as normally as you would, and once you have this on your screen, look at the top left corner and you will see the word Steam right over here. Go ahead, click on that. And from this menu, we're going to choose Settings. Inside of Settings, click on the Storage tab on this section over here. Okay. Scroll down if you're not seeing any storage. Left click on this, and you will see a full list of your Steam library folders on this section. Now, on the right side, you will notice three little dots. Go ahead, click on it. From here, select the option that says Repair Library, this one, okay? Now, what this is going to do is check your Steam installation folders for any corrupted or missing files, and it will automatically fix them if there's anything broken. It might take a minute or two depending on how large your library is. So just give it some time. You don't have to do anything, just let Steam do its own thing. And once done, you can now close the window and check to see if your game is working again. If it's still giving you the same message, the missing file privileges error, don't worry, we've got some few fixes to try. The next thing we're going to do is use Task Manager to end the process that sometimes interferes with Steam. So open your Start menu over here and type in Task Manager. Task Manager, left click on it, and once you see it appear, click on it. We need to look for a specific program that it's running. It's called IGFXEM. Okay, again, IGFXEM. I'll show it on my screen. Now, in my case, nothing actually shows up in here, which means this process isn't running for me. But if you do see a process with that exact name, you can simply right click on it and select End Task. For example, this particular OBS, I'm going to right click and choose End the Task. And don't worry, this won't break anything on your computer. It's just a background Intel process that sometimes causes permission conflicts with Steam. Once you have successfully ended that task, try relaunching Steam and see if that fixes the issue. If you didn't find that process running, like in my case, that's totally fine. It just means that it's not the source of your problem. So let's move on to the next method. So next, you're going to make sure that the game you're having issues with doesn't have any corrupted or missing files itself. Inside of Steam, click on your library tab. So open Steam again. We're going to click on library over here. Just follow me. Then find the game that's giving you the exact error. For example, let's just say I'm going to click on HoloCure. Right click on the game, then select Properties. On the left side, click on the installed files over here. Then click on the button that says Verify integrity of game files. This one, okay? Right side, left click on it. Now Steam will go through and check every single file that's part of the game. If anything's missing or damaged, it will automatically re-download or repair it. This process can take a few minutes depending on the game, especially for larger games. So just be patient and let it finish. Once it reaches 100%, close the window and test the game itself. Because majority of the players, if they do this simple troubleshoot, it will actually fix very common issues, especially for games that are heavily modded or has tons of add-ons on them. Next, we're going to make sure Steam actually has permission to access your game folders. Open your Start menu again and search for File Explorer. left clicked, then go to your C drive, then go to Program Files 86, left clicked. From here, scroll down until you see the Steam folder. Steam, left click on this, go to Steam Apps, go to Common, and over here, okay, I want you to find that specific game that you're having trouble with. For example, I'm going to select Far Cry, right click on the specific folder, go to Properties, and then go to Security. Here, you'll see a list of users and permissions. You want to make sure that there are no check marks on the deny column over here for any of these users. If you do see anything marked as denied, click on the advanced button and just adjust those settings to give full control. In my case, everything looks good because as you can see, I've got full control as it shows in here. So I can just press OK and close out of this window, right? Now, another really simple thing that can help is just running Steam as the admin. To do that, I want you to go back, local disk C, go to 86, same thing that we just went through, go to Steam folder, and we just need to stop here. I want you to find and locate the Steam application itself. Right click on it, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab over here, and over this section, make sure Run this program has the admin. So click on the box, click Apply, and then hit OK. Now sometimes that alone can completely fix this error, especially if Steam doesn't have the right permission level to access certain folders. Now if that didn't work, we'll try clearing your download cache. So once again, open your Steam, okay? Over this section, I want you to once again go to the Steam area over here. Top left, click on Steam, go to Settings, and go to the Downloads tab over here. Okay, you will see an option that says Clear Cache, right? Click on that, then confirm. Steam will close and relaunch automatically. You might have to sign in again. Make sure to remember your login details. And once you're back, check if your game installs and updates properly. Now, if clearing the cache didn't help, we can try switching the download region. Still in the same Downloads tab, look at the top where it says Download Region. Okay, so over here, as you can see, so ideally you want this to be set to a location close to you. So for example, if you're in England, just set yours to London. And if yours is set to somewhere else far away, like pretty much another country, change it to your local region. Then restart Steam and then test your games again. Next, let's make sure your firewall isn't blocking Steam or your games. Open your Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Firewall. Once you have opened your firewall settings, over this section, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Left clicked, now scroll down the list and look for Steam or that particular game. You want to make sure that both private and public boxes are checked, okay? So you can click on change settings if you would like to make some modifications over here, alright? Now, if you can't find your games on the list or Steam itself, click again change settings and then allow another application over here. And then you can now easily hit browse. We now need to go to your local disk C, programs 86, just like before, and then we just need to look for the application itself. Alright, once you're done, hit OK to save those changes, and that should ensure that Windows Firewall isn't blocking anything Steam related. And finally, if none of those work, we just need to do a clean installation. So go ahead, go to your control panel or your applications and features, uninstall Steam. Steam, got in here. Okay, I've clicked on it, uninstall. You re-download the application itself, let it install, log in, and then you should now be able to play all of those games. Now that should hopefully clear out any remaining permission or configuration issues. And that's it. Hopefully, by following all of these steps carefully, you have managed to fix that annoying missing file privileges error and can finally get back to gaming and locked in. I hope you found this video very helpful.